Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, guys, Al James just dropped a song. You guys understand? Al James just dropped a song after like what, two years? After fucking 2 years, no? Gumalaw na yung baso, man. Narinig na tayo. Narinig niya na ang mamamayan. Naglabas na kanta si Al James natin is Get That. And we have an official music video. Not a lyric video, not an official audio. It's a music video, man. I'm just excited with this, man. Ano bang hinintay natin? Let's get it. Hey. Hey. Feel so G, double O-D, whenever I get that cash. Let's go, man. Feel so G, double O-D, whenever I get that cash. For the whole team, para kay mama, let me go get that, Oh man, the music video is fucking tripping me, man. Hey, dati ayaw mo sa akin, now she wanna fuck. That is a Bugoy na Koike reference, no? And also, umalis sa aking office bago masibak. Man. Again, I mean, I'm not recommending this to, all of inspired to be an artist. Tapos nagtatrabaho ka, for example, you have a job in an office, no? Again, hindi lahat, no? Again, if you have a potential, you have a potential, no? Pero hindi lahat. Again, you can take risk. That's okay. But if you have like a priority, like a family or something like that, no? Nagkataon lang na si Al James because he actually has talent on this, no? So, I assume ang meaning niya doon is umalis siya ng office bago masibak kasi, he pursued the rap game. Pero, yeah. Oh, the music video is fucking fire, man. Outside with the gang, with the crew, stack money to the roof. Tell mama I'm good. Feel so G, double O-D, whenever I get that cash. Hey, man, Al James is just too cold, no? Just too cold, man. Let me go get that. Feel so G, double O-D, whenever I get. Is that OVO? Get that. Feel so G. Yep, it's OVO. Double O-D, whenever I get that cash. For the whole team, but I like mama. Let me go get that. Get that cash. Get that cash. I mean, that's always the plan, no? That is always the plan. Get the bag, then get out. Get that cash. Oh shit. Get that cash. Oh, so wala naman tayong papakita. Just, a chill, medyo trippy na music videos. Bila tayo pinakitaan ng bakal, no? Out of the blue. Oh, man. Hey. Get that cash. Get that. Feel so G, double O-D, whenever I get that cash. Malaking dreams ang iyong mama. Let me go get that. Feel so G, double O-D, whenever I get that cash. Whenever I get that cash. Pag sabi ng Cashman, ito si Costa Cashman. Hey. That is the album release and birthday ni Flo G, right? Yung nakaputi sa lahat. Get that. Hey. Get that, man. Let's go. All right. Well, again, that is Al James. Get that official music video. Al James just, never missed. Minsan lang maglabas, pero pag naglabas, alam mong mabigat, man. Alam mo may dating. And also, Al James is one of my favorite artists. Lalong-lalo na sa mga flows. Kasi parang, napakaswabe, no, pag siya nagdadala ng flow. And every flow na binibigyan niya sa atin is parang laging bagos para sa akin. Hindi siya cringy or corny or pilit, no? But yeah, that I don't know if I'm being biased in here, but that is just a fucking banger for me. I don't know if I'm being biased. I'm just happy, no, na naglabas si Al James ng kanta. A new sound trip. Man, ang hirap maging ang hirap maging fan ng isang artist na minsan lang maglabas ng kanta. Nauuhaw na, no? Kahit anong ilabas, man. Let's go. Well, again, that's Al James, no? Get that official music video. That is our reaction for today. Sana gustuhan nyo yun. Leave a like, subscribe. Gusto nyo mag-react sabihin yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song. Just comment down below. Mag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.